Thank you for joining me. Today I will be presenting customer retention verification as part of my Project 2 for Duke University's Machine Learning for Product Managers. Our agenda today will address the opportunities, CRIP, DM, business understanding, solution validation, machine system design, in addition to potential risk in production. Today, the problem with customer retention can be addressed in many ways. That's a fact, such as analyzing customer data, complaints, surveys, implementing loyalty programs. These methods, however, are reactive and often come too late to prevent customer churn. The opportunity is simply learning can significantly enhance the customer retention for any industry, specifically in this case mine, by predicting customer churn, enabling target retention strategy. By analyzing vast amounts of data, leveraging machine learning algorithms can help to identify patterns, factors leading to churn. It allows companies to proactively address issues before customers decide to leave. This predictive capability empowers us to implement personalized retention strategies such as tailored offers and timely intervention, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Let's discuss the crisp DM process. Enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of customer verification is priority number one. Are we speaking to the right customer at the right time? Because we are releasing some very sensitive information through our verification process. The goal, therefore, must include a reduction in that manual process. The benefits also include streamlining operations, lessening the workload of manual intervention for those in the call centers, and evaluating customer overall satisfaction. In addition, we look to enhance the decision making by providing accurate forecasts of customer churn. We can make informed decisions about our retention strategy, ensuring that we have the right intervention at the right time in the right place, such as bots, to address simple questions that a customer may have as they navigate that application or that website when they're looking up their bill or their interaction with our call centers. Reducing churn rates with better predictions can be proactively addressed. Issues leading to churn resulting in lower churn and higher customer retention, and of course, customer efficiency to help optimize the cost associated with customer acquisitions by predicting the exact number of customers at risk, thus avoiding unnecessary expenses and marketing for these retention efforts. Let's discuss for a moment outcome metrics, customer retention, CRR. The percentage of customers who remain with the business over a specific period of time. We can view that information and that data quarterly, thus yearly, thus the historical data for our customers based on a geographic location, different demographics such as age. The customer lifetime value, CLV, the total revenue expected from a customer overall over their entire business relationship with us, again by the same demographics, age, geographic location, income brackets, things of that nature. The Net Promoter Score is a measure of customer satisfaction and loyalty based on the customer's ability and willingness to recommend your company or my company to ensure not only are we getting, for example, the parents, but also the children, when they go off and make their own brand customer decisions. Tracking both the outcome and the output metrics We gain insight into a comprehensive view of the customer's retention effort. This helps us identify areas for improvement, again, tailor strategy effectively, and ultimately boost customer loyalty and thus our our performance within a certain marketplace where we may want to focus on. We win together. Now let's talk about the design, cloud versus edge. Cloud versus edge really allows us to take a look at cloud computing versus edge computing. Cloud computing, for example, is easy to scale, can handle large volume of data, complex models, cost efficiency, advanced tools such as I'm going to say Azure Machine Learning, AWS, SageMaker are just a few examples. Centralized data management and latency. I'm going to focus on latency for a minute because the data transmission to and from the cloud can introduce latency, which may not be suitable for real-time applications such as the bot that I referred to while the customer's actively engaging with one of our applications, or just looking up their bill. Security concerns are vital. Transmitting sensitive PII over the internet can pose security risks. Now let's talk about edge for a minute. Edge reduces that latency. Processing data locally at an edge reduces latency, making it ideal for real-time applications. It enhances security, privacy. Keeping data locally can improve privacy and security by reducing the risk of data breaches. Operational cost saving, reducing the need for continuous cloud computing resources, thus reducing costs and data transmission. Now, for me, as a product owner or product manager, I truly suggest a hybrid approach by combining both cloud and edge computing can be optimal. Thus, it allows us to leverage the strength of both technologies, using edge for real-time data processing and immediate response, and using cloud computing for the large-scale data analysis, storage, and model training. Batch prediction. Let's talk about it for a mention. Batch prediction really is just a method of data bulk uploads and scheduling based on intervals. You can have a weekly schedule. We can have a monthly or daily schedule. It is very useful for generating insight that didn't require immediate attention, such as periodic churn analysis and customer segmentation. It is cost effective. Online predicting allows us real time, which we're going to need for that batch, for that immediate satisfaction that the customer is being heard and we're addressing any concerns that they may have. This method generates predictions instantly when triggered by a customer interaction, such as their engagement with that bot, that chat bot. It is ideal for dynamic retention strategies, such as personalized recommendations and fraud protection. Customers want to know that we take security seriously, we value them. This is key. It's why I suggest a hybrid approach using both batch predicting, which is great long term for planning, while the online predictions is essential for immediate customer engagement. I hope this was helpful. I hope that you've actually gained a little bit of insight into machine learning, and I want to thank you for your time and attention.